Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bodycraft. And today I'll be answering 5 questions that people keep asking me every time and they have doubt about. Now before I start this video, I would like to tell you the questions that I have. There are many answers to it and in length. But I'm trying to keep it short and easy for you guys to understand. So yep, let's go with our first question. Alright, so our first question for today is, can we do cardio every day? Yes, absolutely, you guys can do cardio every day, maybe 6 days a week, Sundays you can take off. But again, if you're planning to do cardio every day, just keep in mind that your cardio shouldn't be intense cardio. Keep it moderate and also add some weight training after you're done with your cardio in your schedule. Do cardio and weight training both, and do not do intense cardio, just keep it moderate. Alright, second question is, what type of cardio is better? Now there's nothing that one cardio is better than other. You can do treadmill, you can do cardio on the floor like burpees, and you can also do cycling, you can do upright bike, you can do elliptical. So any kind of cardio that you think is good for you or you like doing, you can do, it's okay, but keep a change. Don't just follow one type of cardio forever. So keep changing, do treadmill sometimes, do elliptical sometimes, do some cardio on the floor, skipping, burpees. So just keep that in mind, okay? You can keep changing your cardio sessions. It will be effective and even you'll like the change. Alright, question number 3 is, when should we do cardio? Before or after workout? Now there's a catch. If you guys are planning to build muscle, you guys are into hypertrophy, bodybuilding, or getting those huge muscles, you should work out first and then do cardio. The reason is, if you do cardio before, you will drain all your energy and then you will not have any energy to work out after that or lift weights, heavy weights for you to get those results. So if you're into bodybuilding, hypertrophy, or building those huge muscles, first workout, then cardio. If you are into endurance, if you are into fitness, if you want to just maintain your health, gain some muscles, lose fat, look nice, so you can do cardio before, that is okay, and then you do your weight training as I told you in the first point, okay? You can do cardio every day, but again, as I told you, add weight training to your cardio sessions. So yes, so cardio before, okay, and then you can do weights, say about 20 minutes cardio and 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes of weight training every day. So you'll get your results. Now we come to question number 4. Is doing cardio important? Of course, doing cardio is important. Keep one thing in mind, heart. Cardio means working out on your heart, okay? Heart is a muscle and you need to make it work. So cardio is very important, and that's not just one reason. You have to understand, when you do cardio, your breathing capacity increases. When your breathing capacity increases, you can intake more oxygen to your muscles, and more oxygen to your muscles means performance, better results. So cardio is very important. Try not to miss it out. Okay, last but never the least, question number 5. When is the right time to work out? Mornings or evenings? Now there's a catch to it. You have decided to work out. No matter when you work out, mornings or evenings, it is okay, it doesn't make any difference. But people having problem with sleeping, people who are suffering from insomnia, they should not work out in the evenings after 7 o'clock. Because when you work out, your mind gets active and that might give you trouble sleeping, or maybe you'll get sleep late and then your whole schedule might be messed up. So try not to work out in the evenings. People who are having problems sleeping, try not to work out in the evening, work out in the morning, so you will be all set. Yeah, so these are the 5 questions that I wanted to answer today. These questions are very basic questions that you keep hearing from your clients, you keep hearing from your surroundings, people keep asking these questions. So these are very basic questions and I thought of answering them today for you guys to understand. Now, I also want to add that these videos that I make, these videos are for general public, for basic public, so that it is very easy for them to understand. See, there are many other trainers, many other coaches who make videos on bodybuilding, who make videos on how to make six-packs, abs, and biceps, chest workouts, and shoulder workouts, and all of that. But what about people who want to change their lifestyle? What about people who are willing to change, who want to look good, who want to lose fat, who want to make a presence in society? What about them? So that's when I thought there should be, there should be someone talking about those people, general public, who just want to build muscles, lose fat. They are not into bodybuilding and building six packs abs or has to do a stage performance or anything. So yeah, that is simple. That is what I wanted to share, and I hope these questions that I answered today have cleared your doubts, and this fly wouldn't go away, wouldn't leave me. I don't know why. Anyways, I hope these questions that I've answered today have cleared your doubt, and yes, that's all in this video for today, and I hope you guys are going to like this video. If you do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit.